All your business needs, one single platform. Go to Wix.com and get a robust booking solution that takes your business further. Set up your services, like classes, courses, or appointments. Choose how you get paid, in person or online through leading payment providers. And let the bookings roll in from any channel. All your activity is synced in real time to your calendar, the core of your business. Use it to seamlessly manage your sessions and staff. Anytime, anywhere. Tailor your offering to match your business model. Bundle your services into packages and plans. Boost your bookings with personalized coupons, branded gift cards, and tap into new revenue streams, like selling products. Streamline your business to the next level with automations, like booking reminders to reduce no-shows. And use in-depth analytics to monitor your performance and spot where to grow next. Power your business with an all-in-one solution. Go to Wix.com and start today.